Everyone, I am Renee Arts from Kia Mortgages, and today we're going to look at the various questions that typically come up with a sale and purchase agreement. And we've got Greg Martin from Arrowsmith Law to help us with the Q&A. So, how clean does the property have to be on settlement day?
Take the vendor as you find them. Now, some vendors are going to be fantastic. They're going to leave you a bottle of wine and some flowers on the table. Others are going to leave the property in not a great condition. The key obligation of a vendor is to give the purchaser what's called vacant possession on the settlement date. Vacant possession just means that the vendor is not there, their dogs aren't there, their sheep and chickens aren't there, their rubbish is not there, their furniture is not there. The property is vacant and possession is given to the purchaser. If the oven is a bit greasy, there ain't going to be much that can be done about that. The oven is functional. It's functional notwithstanding the fact that it's greasy. As I say, you end up having to just kind of deal with the vendor as you find them. Some vendors are proud about themselves and the way they conduct themselves. Other vendors are under pressure and they just can't clean the oven for you before they leave. There's nothing you'll be able to do about that as the purchaser.